Changing your shower actual mixer valve. So say your actual shower is now running cold water, chances are over the winter you've come back to your van and basically you've got cold water. Normally this happens when the water is actually frozen within inside them and basically it's popped the valve. Now, dead easy, simple thing to do. You can actually get the part from Caravan warehouse for about £60. All you need is some Allen keys and basically couple of seconds of your time. Now, first thing what you need to do, and the most important part, is actually turn off your stopcock. Turn it actually clockwise, we'll actually turn it off for you. Once you've done this, we'll go inside the van and we'll start the process. Now we're in the shower, first thing to obviously do, and most importantly, is to actually work out what type of screw it is. Behind the shower valve, there is two screws normally on the V100. On the V200, they're usually on the bottom or the side, but basically it's either an Allen key or a flat blade screwdriver. Now at the bottom of the shower, you have obviously your shower actual trap. One thing I do recommend, if you actually like keeping your screw, because obviously the screws are very tiny, is just put something over the actual hole. Now if you do actually drop your actual screw, then obviously it's lost. So just get something like a wet wipe or something like that and just pop it over the hole, over the plug hole. Nice and easy, so if you do or drop it, basically it's not going to cause any problems. Now really straightforward to actually do this change. All you do is unlock the actual grub screws one by one. Now always make sure that your water is turned off, otherwise you are going to have a very nice shower. Now, over winter, I do recommend actually taking this shower off because they are very prone to actually freezing. But obviously, again, do make sure that you turn your water off when doing it. So we just literally undo the screw. On this one I've got a little grub screw with an Allen key. Now I won't take it out too far when actually undoing it. Don't force it. You see it's slightly a bit too tight still, so just need to get it a little bit more off. And as you can see, the grub screw has come out of that one. Still a bit tighter, so we'll go for the other one, take it out. There's the second grub screw. Nicely rock it off slightly. There we go. That is inside the actual thing. If you can notice, you can see like little metal valves. These are what break on them. Now as you can tell, that's got a bit of water in. Now imagine if that was over winter and that was actually in there, your actual shower mixer would actually break. Now it's always good a practice to remove these over winter. Now at the side, obviously you can see the screws where basically it's held onto the unit, and you can clearly see actually on the shower where the actual connectors actually are. To actually replace it, all you literally do is just the reverse of what you've just done. And we'll just do it one-handed. There we go, I've just done that one-handed. And just reverse it. Put screws on. Now if you actually get a slight water leak out of these when you've actually put it back on, take it off again, because normally it's either a seal that's not quite sitting nicely or basically it's not quite tight enough. Just a couple of seconds, redo it. Once it's done, there you go, your shower's been replaced and you've just saved yourself about £100 actual call out fee from your site. Nice and easy. Any questions, feel free to drop me a message.